Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the mean value theorem for integrals.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. F of x equals x to the fifth power minus 4x to the third plus 2x minus 1. And we want to find the average value of the function over the given interval from -2 to +2. Well, we first want to use our formula here, so let's go find our f of c. F of c is equal to 1 over a b minus a, b value being 2, a value being -2. And then we multiply that by the integral from -2, the a value to the b value, +2, of our function. X to the fifth minus 4x to the third plus 2x minus 1 dx. So then from here, well, let's go simplify this and solve it. 1 over 2 minus a -2 is 1 over +2 plus a +2, so it's 1/4, times the integral here. Now we want to integrate our x to the fifth, so x to the fifth is x to the sixth over 6 minus 4x to the third integrates to be a x to the fourth, plus 2x is x squared, and then minus 1 is minus an x. And we're integrating this on the interval from -2 to +2. Okay. Right out here. I'll put the 1/4 out front. And what we want to do is we're going to plug in 2 in for x first. When I plug 2 into my x values here, I got a -10/3. Then we want to plug in a -2, and for our x values, I'm going to subtract that value. And when I plug -2 into my integral function here, I got a -2/3, or +2/3 actually. We're subtracting it. So now I have a 1/4 times -10/3 minus a 2/3, I simplify it to be a -4. And you can see that where this is going. 1/4 times a -4 is a -1. And so we have our answer. Our average value of the function over the given interval is a -1. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.